Hi guys, so we are here today to make, we're gonna attempt to make, because I've never made this before and we don't know how this is gonna end up. We're gonna we're gonna attempt to make Jamaican patty. In specific, it's going to be for vegans using veggie mince because, okay, quick story, my mom wanted the soy patties from Mother's, but they didn't have any because, you know, it's quarantine and everything. My assistant here, Amira, say hi. Gonna help me. She's obsessed with making dumpling and she makes quiches and all of that, so she's here to join me today. The recipe I'm using is from this book called The Art of Caribbean Cooking, and this has been around. My ball comes to that book, yeah. This that book, yeah, all. I'm pretty sure my mom used to use this to cook when she was younger. We need turmeric, which I have the Badia one. Salt, I have ocean salt. Shortening, which is in this thing here. Flour, and then we have to sift ingredients, so that's what this is for. And we also need knives to mix the stuff together. So Amira, the first thing it says, sift together dry ingredients into a bowl. Ready? Fix your face, fix your face. Good girl. Flour. We have to level it up. Good girl. You wanna pour that in there for me? Oops. Good job. Yay! More? Yeah, more. We have to do 4 of these. Yeah. No, when I get stushed down, just leave it to finish here. In. Need 2 more. Can you count with Mama? Wow. Wow, now your hands are white. Like Grandpa. Teaspoon. So this one. Yeah, we have to fill it with salt. I'm able, Mira. Alright. Yay! Alright. So guys, I've measured my shortening in this. It says 8 ounces and 8.8 ounces. Oh my god, I'm a mess. Oh my god. Oh god. I put the dough in the fridge. It says put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. I put the timer on my phone. 1 minute left. See? We're gonna move on to the filling. The filling that I'm gonna be doing, as I said, is a vegan option patty, right? So I'm using the Natural Life delicious tasty veggie meat. I've cut up some veggies: thyme, scallion, sweet pepper, tomato, and a scotchy, and that's what I'm going to use to cook down this mince. Now it doesn't take long to cook. 5 to 7 minutes it takes. Alright guys, so I added some water, ketchup as you saw, soy sauce, seasoning, and some cayenne pepper, and we're just gonna place the thyme on top, and we're gonna cover this and let it cook down for a bit. Oh my god. At this point, if you see flour in my eyebrows, on my top, don't even watch, okay? These are my 2 parts though. They said to wrap them in plastic wrap, put in the fridge, minimum 30 minutes. Now we're gonna roll it out. They said to dust the area with flour. almost ready. Alright guys, so they are all done. There they are. It's now nighttime, so let's take a bite. I will leave the recipe in the description bar below. Definitely tag me at Mitty Certs if you do make this recipe. I'd love to see it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me in making my vegan patties, and I'll see you in the next video.